Hi everybody, I'm Shauna and this is Ring Light Crafts. I'm barely getting my voice back, so I'm just going to tell you how I start. I'm going to get off and then start another part 2 of this video and try to combine the two, okay? Because my voice just won't last. Anyways, for this project, we are going to use an 8x10 canvas that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. It's a crafter square, and remember, it's good. It's an 8x10, okay? It's good for oil and acrylics. Let me set that aside. Now, one thing I did, I took a piece of scratch paper, and I just started drawing different types of flowers, okay? And then I choose the flowers I like the most, and that's what I went with. To do these flowers, I wish I had a pen. I will show you how to draw them on a later video. Remove that side. Now, I went ahead, I'm sorry guys, I took my 8x10 canvas and I pre-painted it black, but before I did that, I went ahead and just drew the basic ideal of my flowers and where I wanted to place them. So it's just plain a black acrylic paint, which is the Apple Bell acrylic black. I don't know why they can't just say black on that. Anyways, so that's what I'm using. I actually really like this brand. We're also going to use acrylic white for the Apple Bell. But then for the flowers, besides the section of the white, we're going to switch off, okay? We're going to go ahead and choose this paint. The reason why is thicker. And I didn't care for it for paint pouring at first, but I do like it for painting, especially more the abstract. And I want to have more, of a width to it so that the blind could enjoy the painting as well as the scene. So this painting is meant for the blind, and it's meant to be touched once it's dried. So we got our orange, yellow, green, turquoise type green, all black and all white. Hey boy, that's my dog, big old ox he is. Anyways, so we're gonna get started, and so far I got just the three colors I'm gonna be using first, which is the green, yellow, and the orange. And we're gonna go ahead and use those. And I got some white in the lid here. Okay guys, so this is part 1. Go ahead, any type of videos, brushes you feel comfortable using. I'm going to just go ahead and use the simple ones that I have. Nothing special. Matter of fact, I believe they will purchase at Walmart, okay? So anyways, guys, thank you for joining me, and I will get to part 2. Thanks. Bye, guys.